Hi everyone, in today's video I will be showing you a very easy and simple way to cook Nigerian coconut fried rice that is very perfect for any occasion, and you can also enjoy it at home with your family. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Adeola Super. I welcome you to my channel. I will start by adding all the ingredients to my chicken, and I'm also boiling meat at the same time. This curry, thyme, rosemary, oregano. So I'm also adding it to the meat also. This is my black pepper, and this is my nutmeg. I'm also adding 2 stalks of chicken maggi to the chicken I'm boiling, and I'm also adding 1 stalk of chicken maggi to the meat also. I'm also adding scotch bonnet pepper to give it a good taste, so white pepper, and I'm also adding salt. I'm adding water to it right now to mix it together with all the ingredients. I will also be adding fresh ginger and garlic. If you don't like garlic, that's right, you can add a little bit because it makes the food more healthy, and it also add a very great taste to the food, and it also give it a very lovely aroma. As you are cooking it, your neighbor in the next street will be perceiving the nice aroma from the food, so it's very healthy. You can try it. Ginger and then garlic, just add it to give it a very lovely taste. After added all the ingredients, so this is how it look like. So I will allow it to cook for some minutes, so not to be too soft. So then I will just set it aside and fry it in my fry dryer. Moving on to the next step, the basic foundation of Nigerian fried rice is your chicken broth. Since our food recipe today is coconut fried rice, so I will go ahead to add my coconut milk. This canned coconut milk I can lay my hand on because I can't get fresh coconut to extract milk from it. So I'm using my canned coconut milk. I'm mixing it with the chicken broth. So this is my Nigerian fried rice ingredient. So it's very nice if you can lay your hand on it. It's so nice for fried rice. I'm also adding other ingredients to the chicken broth for the fried rice, but this time around I'll be adding it in a little quantity because the chicken broth already had a lot of spices in it already. So I'm also adding grounded pepper so that it can give the rice that peppery taste. I'm also adding more water to it to cool the rice. So you add the water according to the quantity of rice you are adding to it. So the water have already boiled, so I will go ahead to add my rice to it. So I've already washed the rice thoroughly, so it's good to wash your rice thoroughly so that it didn't stick together. So I'm using the 2 pots to cook the rice, so because we're a big family and my kids love fried rice so much, so I'm using the 2 pots to cook it so that we can have enough fried rice. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know in comment section which one do you prefer. Is it fried rice or coconut fried rice? This time my rice is ready. Once the rice is ready, I will start by frying other ingredients I will use to fry the rice. For a great taste for whatever you want to fry, so it's good to add ginger and garlic, and I'm also adding bay leaf. So I will start by frying my veggies. The veggies I'm using for this coconut fried rice is sweet corn, carrot, green peel, and long beans. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you how I mix all these ingredients. That was because this meal was prepared for our iftar to break our fast, and it's getting to the time to break our fast, and I want to quickly finish cooking it, so bear with me, but I'm going to quickly summarize it. These veggies mixtures are carrot, sweet corn, green peel, and long beans. After cutting the carrot into a smaller pieces, so I like to wash it with hot water so that I can make it a little bit tender since it's more hard than other veggies here. After that, I also wash my green peel corn and long beans, and I had it together with the carrot. Then I had some spices to heat to make it marinate before using it to fry my rice. So that's also give it a very great taste. So it's very good to marinate this your veggies before using it to fry your fried rice. So that's how I got this my veggies. So, and I'm frying it just for 2 minutes. So right here I'll go ahead to start frying my coconut fried rice. So, and I'm using butter to fry it. That's also give it a very delicious and wonderful taste. If you're still watching to this moment, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. And if you are new here, I welcome you to my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. So over here I'm just going to fry the veggies a little bit, then I add the rice to fry it together. I also added liver to the veggies, so I don't like to fry the veggies with the liver from the beginning. So I love to fry the liver separately, because if you notice, you will see that when you fry the liver, the oil turn black, and if you fry it together with your veggies, so it will not give it a very fresh look. So that's why I love to fry liver separately. Then after that I added it to my veggies, so that really make it to look fresh. So right here I finished frying the first set of rice, and then I will go over again to continue with the process like that. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, so that will give me more encouragement to do more of this type of video. So that will make me know if you like this type of video, so that I can do more of it. So guys, this coconut fried rice was so delicious guys, and I was so happy that I really make it in a large quantity to be enough for my family. And this coconut fried rice can also be cooked for party. Do you have just mini party or house party or your kids birthday or any celebration, and even for any celebration for like Christmas, for Sallah celebration, this also go well with any celebration guys. If you only like fried rice, you can also as well try this coconut rice. Though the only thing is just to add your coconut milk at the beginning of cooking your rice. And finally, our Nigerian coconut rice is ready. So see how it pop up guys. So guys, this is the final result after finished cooking the rice. So as you can see, it really looks so yummy, so delicious. It really tastes good. And the funny thing in this food was that I didn't taste it throughout as I was cooking it. I didn't taste it because I was fasting while cooking it. So, and it really come out perfect guys. I'm really proud of myself. Please let me praise myself a little bit guys. So guys, I'm so proud of myself for cooking a whole meal without tasting it, and then after cooking it, everything come out great guys. Like, it's not easy. I know my fellow woman like me can relate with what I'm talking about. And we enjoy it with fruit salad. It can also be served with any salad of your choice. This is going to be the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comment, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel till you see me in my next video. Bye.